The fruit fly is a tiny filth fly that is attracted to over-ripened and rotting fruit. Fruit flies reproduce in large numbers, and infestations can occur rapidly, so it's important to perform proper fruit fly control. If you'd like to shop the professional products in this video and learn even more about fruit fly control, click the card on the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. For proper control, you need to first identify the fruit fly. Fruit flies are extremely small, typically around 1/8 of an inch in length. They're commonly tan in color. Their most distinguishing feature is their bright red eyes. Their red eyes will help you tell them apart from similar flies like phorid flies. Fruit flies are commonly found buzzing around fruit bowls or fruit left on countertops in kitchens. They can also be found around residue left behind by spilled, sugary, or alcoholic drinks, around trash cans, kitchen sinks and garbage disposals, and floor drains. To get control of fruit flies, first sanitize your home or business. Dispose of any rotting fruit or vegetables. Frequently take out the trash, keeping the garbage in a sealed bin. Be sure to clean countertops frequently, and store fruit and vegetables in airtight containers. Next, treat the drains in your home or business with Phorid Drain Gel Cleaner. This is a concentrated biological product designed to treat organic matter buildups in sinks, drains, and garbage disposals. Phorid's organic microbial grease degrader immediately starts breaking down organic waste, eliminating the fruit fly's food source and breeding site. Apply Phorid using 4 ounces per drain. Pour the Phorid around the lip of the drain so that it coats and runs down the sides of the drain. This process should be repeated daily for 5 to 7 days. Also use Vector 960 fruit fly traps. This is a ready-to-use trap that comes filled with a food-grade liquid attractant. The lid has 10 vent holes that will give fruit flies access to the attractant and prevent them from flying back out. Simply remove the cellophane wrapper to expose the attractant, and then secure the lid. Place the trap in areas you have seen fruit fly activity. Depending on the room size, you may need multiple traps. And because it's a liquid attractant, keep it out of the reach of kids and pets. Finally, use Pyrite aerosol as a space spray to kill any remaining fruit flies. This is a pyrethrin aerosol that provides quick contact kills. Pyrite is also great for eliminating many other pests. Spray the Pyrite where you see fruit fly activity. This does not have a residual, so flies must come into contact with the spray to be effective. Prevent fruit flies from returning by keeping your property as clean as possible. Continue to take out the trash, clean kitchens, and minimize decaying organic material. Fruit flies are extremely annoying and can spread filth, but you can control them easily yourself with these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn. We guarantee these products will help you get control of your fruit fly problem, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. If you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.